Hello, my name is Sohail.
My name is Mikaiel Moradi. I'm 12 years old.
I'm 14 years old and I was born in Canada.
And I'm from Canada, Vancouver. My brother and me, we play at the same club in Rayo Vallecano.
I'm happy that we both got accepted to Rayo Vallecano. I watch his games because right after my games I can watch his and support him as my young little brother.
Yeah, I like to be with him because he's my brother. We've stayed together for a long time.
My main passion. I always wanted to play football. My position is basically any attacking position, striker, left wing.
I can play midfield and center back, but I play mostly center back because my coach trusts me there a lot.
We met Dylan in Vancouver and we talked to him for a while and he gave us the idea to go to Spain and give us some trials to some of the teams he mentioned. He'll take us to Rayo Vallecano
for experience and to see how it is.
To try out there and see if they liked us. So we went and we tried out and they liked us. And then later, a few months later, we came back to Spain.
And then I came to Spain last year and played for Liga. And after that season, I came to Rayo Vallecano.
I got called up for the Rayo Vallecano team and then I decided to choose to go Rayo.
We liked it, so we moved here.
It means a lot for me to play for Rayo Vallecano.
It's difficult for new language, new people, but then it got more easier, knew everything, but we managed it.
In my future, I want to play for a higher club, maybe in a different country or in Spain.
My dream is to be a professional football player.
And be a professional football player.